Welcome to another Python. I believe you must have seen these very lines of code that I use in developing my creating or drawing buildings and also embedding background. This is the background that I embedded, but let me run it so just to juggle your memory. That's it. That's how it looks like. But now I'm going to convert everything to color patterns. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the background. I'm going to get rid of the background. So that's that. Get rid of the background. Now I will run it. I've commented out the background. So let me run it, or maybe just delete, because I don't need them anymore for this next tutorial. So I've deleted it. I leave this one there because I intend to use it to quit the program. So run the program. As you can see now, the whole background is gone. Now the following images will be deleted. So let me convert this and delete all the content in there. Now I'm going to change this to about 800 or maybe 9. Let's go for 1000. And here let's change this to about 100. If I run this program right now, say, and this is what you see. Can you see that? You can see the color has changed, the length, the width has changed, and the length has changed as well. So let me delete 1, 2, and 3 buildings. Let me delete everything off, and I'll just start with the development. So let's get rid of the following. All of these, take them all off. There, I'm going to delete all of these. Delete. So run the program now, and this is how it looks. Okay, I have a gray color there. It looks a little bit boring, but I can just use that to initialize what I intend to do. Now I already specify the width and the height, so I can just copy the following, copy it, paste it underneath here. Now that I've copied it across, let's just change this one to row 1 and change this to row 2. Okay, the next thing we need to change is the vertical positioning. So let's change this to 220. So the height and the width remain the same, and the coordinate of 60 is different, of 65 still remain for the x-axis. So let's run it and see. Okay, that's how it's looking now. So which means I can just speed it up. So let's create another one. Just paste that right underneath here, and another. Okay, just add this one will become 340, and this one will become 460 there. So if I run it, this is what you guys will see. Check that out, guys. That's how the whole system look right now. So what is left for me to do is just to change the color, and what you can see, as you can notice, there's too much space in here. So let me go back and get that sorted. So which means this is supposed to be 330, and this will be 4. All right, 440 now. So let's run it again. There, that looks much better. Okay, the next thing I will do is let's change the colors. I have gray there, so let's get some colors out of I have a yellow there, so let's put a yellow somewhere here. Right, maybe go for blue. No, I don't know the color combination of blue, so let me go into my paint and look for the color combination of blue. That's blue right there. Grab the blue. So blue is 30, 14, 200 and 226, or maybe pick on this color. Okay, 255. So let me come back in here and just change the color combination. So we have blue right here. So blue is 0, 255. So I can always change one of them to change this to blue. I'm going to need red as well. So let's run it and see how it's looking so far. And that is it, guys. You see how it's looking? It looks very beautiful. So the next thing I will do is let's change the title from Home Sweet Home to color pattern. Alright, so let's run it again. There. I think maybe we should put a red in here. Let's look for the notation, color notation of red. So let's enter red in here, and I think red is 255, comma 0, 0. That should be red. So let's come here. One of them is gray, so just change that to red. Okay, so save, press F5, and there, this is how it's looking now. Maybe I should add one on top here and one underneath here. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so I'm gonna add more, just like I said earlier on, right up here. Change this, and all I need to do is to change the y-axis to 0. Change that to 0, so that'll become, let's change that, let's give it proper, yeah, that's 5. So one more, and undo that, paste that in there, and just change this to the y-axis to 550. Now I need some more color, so let's come in here and change as follows. I'm going to just copy this and just paste it right underneath here. The color I intend to use now is green, so change that to 8, and here just write, I think this will give me light green actually. Well, I can just call it green there. And the other type of color, let's go for something maybe purple, yeah, there. And the color for that is 0 here, and this is 128 there. So I will change one of those to purple. Maybe this one become purple there, and this becomes green. It's light green though, but that will do. So let's run the program right now. Save and run. And there, guys, that's how my program looks right now, and that's how you use Python to develop beautiful color patterns. The other thing you can do is just reduce the width, but I think that looks good. I like it. So I suppose you guys have learned something. I'll just call it a day for now, but before I go, let me show you guys the codes one more time. Here are the lines of codes. You can just play around with that at your own convenience. So let's just change this to color pattern. Alright, take it up, and here that's 6 row 6. Take it, oh sorry about that, bring it up. Yeah, and here I have my exit right there. Put this up so that you guys can see it. Just maybe I should move this up a little bit more. Okay, now I believe you can see all of the codes. Take this off. Yeah. That's the code that I used in developing my pattern right there. Here I have all the colors used up to here. This is the size of the screen, which is right there, and that's the title. I've set this, that my variable, I call it done. You can change it to whatever, you can just change it to whatever you like, color, anything, but you must make sure you change it right here too. Okay, so, and here using the function draw, that's what I use in drawing the following. So just to the end here, I have asked the system to flip the display to flip within the 60 ticks, and that is it right there. Quit. Run it one more time. Click on OK to save all the changes, and there we go, guys. I suppose you all enjoyed. I'm just gonna call it bye for now. You all have a nice day now.